The 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, compass, security system, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.